Good morning, students. Today is Monday, 19th October. Let us begin our today's class with a thought of the week. Never bend your head. Always hold it high. Look the world straight in the eye. By Helen Keller. So, students, we have started chapter 5 already, that is expansion formulae. And in the previous classes, we have studied some example based on expansion formulae, that is a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So there are some examples left based on this formula a minus b whole cube. Let us see those examples. Now we will start with example 4, simplify. Here in simplify, the first sum is p plus q whole cube plus p minus q whole cube. So here these two brackets are based on a minus b and a plus b whole cube formulae. So let us see one by one. P plus q whole cube means p cube plus 3p square q plus 3pq square plus q cube. This is the expansion of first bracket. Plus the second bracket expansion is p cube minus 3p square q plus 3pq square minus q cube. See children, here similar terms with opposite sign, they get cancelled. Here 3p square q and minus 3p square q, they get cancelled, and here q cube and minus q cube, these two are also cancelled. So what is left in this answer now? P cube plus p cube, what will we get? 2p cube plus then 3pq square and plus 3pq square, it will be 6pq square. This will be your answer, and other terms get cancel. Let us see simplify second sum. Second sum will be again based on this formulae. Now 2x plus 3y whole cube minus 2x minus 3y whole cube. See here a is same in both the bracket and b is also same, only with the opposite sign. So a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. In both the brackets the a and b are same. So let us solve this simplification using the expansion formulae a plus b and a minus b whole cube. So first bracket expansion is 2x cube plus 3 into 2x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y square plus 3y whole cube. Then minus sign, here is minus sign. So let us keep these terms in a big bracket, that is the big bracket, and then expansion of a minus b whole cube, that is 2x minus 3y. So 2x cube minus 3 into 2x square into 3y plus 3 into 2x into 3y square minus 3y whole cube, and bracket closed. In the next step, let us see the answers of these cubes. Now here 2x cube means 8x cube plus here 2 square is 4, 4 9s are 36 x square y. Here 3 square is 9 and 9 into 6 is 54, and then xy square plus 3 cube is 27 and y cube. In this way similar here answers are same with opposite sign. Now here 2x cube means 8x cube minus 36 x square y plus 54 xy square minus 27 y cube. Okay. Now here which terms get cancelled? Let us see. First we will remove the bracket and write the answers. 8x cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square plus 27y cube minus 8x cube. Now here minus sign is multiplied with each and every term from the second bracket. Okay. Now what will be the second bracket here? First is minus 8x cube, then this minus and this minus get plus. So plus 36x square y, then plus 54 will become minus 54xy square, and minus 27y cube will become plus 27y cube, because we are multiplying with the minus sign. Now see which terms get cancelled. Here 8x cube and minus 8x cube, they get cancelled, and x square y term, where are x square y term? These 36x square y and 36x square y, they get added. So 72x square y plus 54xy square and minus 54xy square, they get cancelled because similar term with opposite sign. Now 27y cube plus 27y cube means 54y cube. In this way you will get the answer. Now, so two formulas we have explained over here along with the examples. Now let us start practice set 5.3. First sum, expand 2m minus 5 whole cube. Which formula you will use, children? Same, a minus b whole cube. So what is the formula? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Let us substitute a and b in our sum. So here a is 2m and b is 5. So let us start 2m minus 5 cube. 5 whole cube is equal to what? 2m cube minus 3 into 2m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 square minus 5 cube. Next, what will be the answer? 2m cube means 2 cube is 8 and m cube minus here 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 into 5 will be 60 minus 60 m square plus here 5 square is 25. 25 into 3 into 2 will be 150 m minus 5 cube is 125. This is your answer. Let us see the second sum. Here 4 minus p whole cube. Based on which formula? A minus b again. So let us substitute the value for a minus b whole cube, which will be given in this sum. 4 minus p whole cube is equal to what? First term cube. 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square into p plus 3 into 4 into p square minus p cube. What is the answer then? 4 cube means what? 64. Then here substitute 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 is 48 into p. Then plus 3 into 4 into p square. 3 4s are 12 p square minus p cube. This is the second sum of practice set 5.3. Now the third sum, 7x minus 9y whole cube. Which formula you will use? Yes, same, a minus b whole cube. So you might have learned this formula by heart. Yes. Now 7x minus 9y whole cube is equal to 7x whole cube minus 3 into 7x square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9y whole square minus 9y whole cube. So what will be the answer? 343 x cube minus 3 into 49. 7 square means 49 into 9 into x square into y plus 3 into 7 into 81. 81 means 9 square is 81. Then x into y square minus 729 y cube. Then what is the answer? 343 x cube minus here 1323 x square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. So third sum is also over, children. Now let us see fourth sum. Fourth sum is 58 whole cube. So how you will expand this? By taking a minus b terms. So what you will take? Instead of 58, what we will take? 60 minus 2. 60 minus 2 means 58. So 60 minus 2 whole cube. So now we will use a minus b whole cube expansion in this example. So 60 minus 2 whole cube is equal to 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So write down the answers now. 60 cube means 2,16,000 minus here 21,600 plus 720 minus 8. So the final answer is 1,95,112. Okay, children. So we have seen here 4 sums in this part. Now let us see the next fifth sum of practice set 5.3. 198 whole cube. Using the same formula a minus b whole cube, what we will expand? 198 as 200 minus 2 whole cube. So we will see this sum in the next slide. Okay. Till then, complete the part. Thank you.